My dear students, research scholars, my dear faculty members, good morning to one and all, and a warm welcome to this online platform. Today's our another session is open access journals. Open access journals means free journals and articles available in the online platform. Mostly journals or conference proceedings and articles will be utilized by the research scholars and faculty members for the preparation of research reports, theses, dissertations, and paper presentations at conference, seminars, etc. Publication of articles for research scholars is mandatory for submission of thesis at the time of submission of thesis research reports. So they have to prepare at least 3 articles and publish it in the reputed journals relevant to their research area. It will be either a national or international or UGC care list journals and Scopus or Web of Science indexed journals. Similarly, for faculty members, they have to publish research articles in reputed journals or high impact factor journals or UGC care list journals. It will be taken into account for the career advancement scheme for their promotion. So now we will move into the next slide. The important websites on open access journal sites. First one is NISCARE, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources, the Government of India, formerly called as INSDOC, Indian National Science Documentation Center. Another one is Indian Academy of Science, Bengaluru, Directory of Open Access Journals, Springer Open, Scopus. So like that, there are many important open access sites listed here. Under this, first one is NISCARE portal. We will move one by one. Some important websites, open access sites, we will be discussed in this session. Okay. So now move into this home page of the National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources portal, run by the Ministry of it is created by the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. This portal provides scientific and research journals for the research communities, scientists, faculty members. This portal provides free online journals, databases, knowledge products for the research community. Apart from that, online journals, hard copies also published by this organization will be subscribed by our college and other institutions too. Now we will see that next slide. Now we will select the resources box under the status bar. There are some options are there. So now we will select resources box. That blue color box, it shows National Online Periodical Repository, National Knowledge Resources Consortium, National Science Documentation Library, National Science Library, National Union Catalog of Books, journals, databases, and other electronic resources. Okay, we will see under this here. If we select National Open Journals, National Online Periodical Repository, the screen will be displayed like this. Under this NISCAR publications, we will select it. NISCAR publication, that arrow mark is indicated there. So now we will select the NISCAR publications. It will shows subject wise. See, subject wise, the next slide will see the what are the journals I have listed out here under this platform on NISCAR. Annals of Library Information Study, Applied Innovative Research, Bharatiya Vaigyanik Evam Adhyuki. This is the Hindi version of the journal. And Indian Journal of Biochemistry, Biophysics, Biotechnology, Chemical Technology, Indian Journal of Chemistry, Section A, Section B, Indian Journal of Engineering and Material Sciences, Indian Journal of Experimental Biology. So totally 19 journals available in this platform. All are the open access online free journals. The hard copy, if you need the hard copy, we would like to subscribe from the institution or individually. So apart from that, this portal, this platform will provide online access on PDF format. Okay. So now we will, under this list, among this, one of the example, we will select it. Indian Journal of Biochemistry, Section AC, arrow mark indicated that the list of journals will be displayed like this in this platform. So now we will see and select the Indian Journal of Chemistry, Section B. Okay. So after selecting this, the portal will open like this. After selecting Indian Journal of Chemistry, Section B, there were 3,741 records available. So year wise it will be displayed. Okay, year wise publications. Now we will select the recent year, that is 2020. Okay, we will select in the recent year. Under this we will select it 2020 recent issues. Under this volume 59, issue number 6, June issue. The articles, what are the articles published in this number 6th issue, that is June month issue. What are the articles published, highlighted here. So now we will select it any one article. First we will select it first article. Okay. So if we select the first article, actually the title of the article, author, and month and page numbers also displayed in this screenshot. Okay. So now we will select the first article. Okay. It will shows like that. See what is the title of the article, who is the author, and keywords of the article, and which month it is published, and URL. These are the things, are complete details of the articles will be appeared in this screenshot. Okay. Here right side corner, view and open, view bar open, one box is there. So now we will click it. Okay, we will select and we will click it. It will open full text of the article, reactions of the carbazole alcoholin. So this full PDF format of article will be opened in PDF format. So if you need, you may download it or note down the abstract, or at least this will be useful for the research scholars, particularly science subjects. So they may copy down or download it in their external storage device for the reference purpose or a review of literature purpose, and also for the faculty members for their preparation of conference, seminars, articles. Okay. So you may download it or you may share it to your friends also. So the next slide we will see like this. So so uh, with these NISCAR publications, I will select it only one sample. There are 19 journals available. Instead, I have selected only one Indian Journal of Biochemistry. So other things are you may select it and view it later. Okay. So due to the time concern, I have explained only one article. Okay. So now we will see the another important open access platform, Indian Academy of Sciences, Bengaluru. This also the Government of India organization. It provides the books and journals. Okay, so under this platform, there are some red color indicated status bar is there, home, about us, follow up journals, publications. Okay, so under this we will select the journals. The journals number, I have prepared this list. Okay, under the Indian Academy of Science, it will provide Journal of Chemical Science, Bulletin of Material Science, Journal of Astrophysics and Astronomy, Journal of Earth System Science, Pramana, Journal of Physics, Sadhana Engineering Sciences, Proceedings, Mathematical Science, Journal of Bioscience, Journal of Genetics and Resonance, Journal of Science Education. Okay, so apart from this, Current Science Journal also published by the IIS. It is hard copy only available, not in the online platform. So recently, Indian Academy of Science has converted all these things into online open access platform. Previously, it is we have to subscribe these things. So now, from few months back, it is converted to online free full text journals. Okay, so now we will see any selected the journal list. We will select the arrow mark indicated under this. We will select Pramana Journal of Physics. Okay, the portal will be displayed the list of journals. Among these, we will select Pramana Journal of Physics. Okay, so after selecting this Pramana Journal of Physics, the journal home page of the journal will be displayed here. Okay, right side, the journal front cover page will be displayed, the volume number, issue number and the year of publications will be displayed. So now whereas the current issue, volumes, forthcoming articles will be displayed. Okay, now we will move into the next slide that shows that under this Pramana Journal of Physics, after clicking the volumes and issues, it will show immediately like this. Among this, we will select all article, that is journal under publication process. First one is volume 94. What are the journals will be under publications? Previously, volume 93 is published and available at present, but at present volume number 94 is under process. So we will click it the recent one. So that is what I am explaining this one. That is what for our recent journals, recent articles will be need of the hour for the research purpose. So we will click it in the recent article. So it will be opened. So all the articles, but the journal is not yet published. The article will be available in this soft copy. So the arrow mark is indicated that one of the article, first one, that is an efficient algorithm for inferring functional connectivity. Like, so we will select it, that first one. Now see, we will select the first article. Okay, Now we select the first article, so the full text will be available here. Okay, an Ephesian algorithm for inferring functional connectivity between the drive and the noisy responses check collections with the significant frequency mismatch. Okay, the full text with the abstract available, so you may download it, the full text of this article. It's a reputed platform of Indian Academy of Science, providing these journals, indexed journals, and UGC listed journals, recognized journals. So it will be very useful for the science community, that is physics, chemistry, biochemistry, biotechnology, mathematics students, research scholars. Okay, so you may utilize this platform for the journals, listed the above 10 journals. Okay, so now we will move into the another platform of directory of open access journals. Okay, this is one of the reputed journal platform, provides 15,045 journals as on date. Okay, 15,045 journal as on date available in this platform. The number of countries participating and contributing articles to this portal also highlighted in this box. Okay, so now we will select browse subject wise journals available in this portal. Okay, so now we will select subject wise. There will be a list appeared from here. Okay, we will select subject wise, we will browse. Okay, there will be a the list will be appeared here. Okay, from agriculture, agriculture to till technology in alphabetical order, arranged in the alphabetical order. All these subjects are hyperlinked. Okay, now if we select the science subject under this platform, under this slide, under the, so we will select it, that you have to select subject wise. It will, the total number of records available, total number of records available 45,000, 4,58,596 records, articles available in the science subject. Okay, if we select the science subject, it will shows that the 4,58,596 articles records available. So thereafter, if we select and view the journal articles, it will shows. See, the previous year record is science subject, we have selected under this under this we have entered the subject on chemistry. So suppose we type it in that box, chemistry subject, I want the chemistry subject journals articles. So now we will type it in that search bar indicated in the arrow mark top side, and immediately these are the article displayed in the same portal. So after exposing the list of article, there are shows it, journal shows articles, that is 12 journals and 4,594 articles, and also search option is there. Now we will type the chemistry, it will immediately appear enlisted articles. So then it will be opened. Then now we will select that article, particular first one article, first one we will select it. We will select the article, arrow mark indicated, first one. So the full text will be opened, okay, in the PDF format. Similarly, IIS and NISCAR journal. So one of the reputed platform for directory of open access journals. So alphabetically arranged, there are subjects. So you may select according to your interested one, and according to your major, you may select it and view the journals, articles. Okay. So we will similarly another subjects on language and literature. If we select language and literature, it will shows the records on 62,380 so far the records articles available under the language and literature subjects. Okay, so according to the above procedure, you execute this another subjects. Okay, now we will see another important open journal platform, springeropen.com. Springer, one of the worldwide familiar and reputed portal for the journals. These also listed in alphabetically, okay, alphabetical order. They are publishing books, journals, databases. Now this portal you may browse journals alphabetical manner and subject wise available. Now we select the subject on business and management, that blue color arrow mark indicated. Okay, the blue color mark arrow mark indicated business and management subject. Okay, previously we seen that science subject, chemistry and physics subjects. So now we will select it on business and management, commerce subject, management subject. Okay, so under this, after selecting the management subject, there are subdivisions, sub communities under the business and management. So many titles available. So there were titles of the journals. Okay, there were many titles of the journals available under the journal of organization design. We will select, okay, one of the, for example purpose, we will select the journal of organizational design. Okay, so now we will select it. After the selection, the portal will be opened with the what are the articles available on the journal. Okay, what are the list of contents. Okay, list of contents, number of articles available will be displayed in this journal. Okay, so you may click it, one of the subject of fit, misfit and design. So this article, now we will select it, this article. Okay, the article will be opened like this, full text of the article, fit, misfit and design. Okay, so under this business and management, one of the article, for the sample, for the example purpose, I have opened. The full text will be displayed. Okay, so the now see under this here, full text will be appeared. Download the PDF option given in the arrow mark indicated. Okay, you download PDF. So you may take it into your external storage device. Okay, external storage device, or otherwise you may share it with your friends and download it and send it later through the mail, whatever it is. So another important and reputed platform for the open access Scopus. Scopus not only for the one part only, they are providing the open access journals. They are the very familiar, reputed one. Scopus publication is the reputation for the research scholars article. So Scopus one of the important platform of open access. There will be a lot of journals available for publication and open access purpose. So we will select it under this platform, whatever subjects. This providing books also. This now we need the articles only. So under this we will select it. Similarly, the above IIS, NISCAR, Doge, Directory Open Access Journal. So like that, due to the time concern, I move into the next platform, hindwai.com. These also the open access journal platform. So with this I conclude. And other portals are available for the open access journals. If you want to view it in Islamia College library portal, the Gateway for Islam and Education, one of the open access portal available. There are a lot of open access journals available. So it is an Gateway for Islamian Education. It is an open access resources portal provided under the library of Islamia College website. So I thank you for this patient listening of this lecture. I hope you are all understand. If you have any query or doubt, you please feel free to contact me through the librarian at islamiacollege.edu.in. Okay. Again, I am telling you, librarian at islamiacollege.edu.in. I thank you.